In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Wink on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Now once you have logged in, go to trade here and click Binance Convert and then choose your wallet. So if you have your funds in spot wallet, click here, and if you have your funds in funding wallet, click here again. And then choose your currency that you want to convert. So I'm going to convert BUSD into Wink or Win. Click here and type the amount of BUSD you're going to convert, but make sure that it is 1 BUSD and above. So I'm going to convert the maximum amount. Click preview conversion, click convert, go to wallet, go to funding, and now you can see that I have 87,220 win on my funding wallet. But if you want to buy at a lower price, you can go to trade here, click spot, then on the search bar, type down win, and then choose your pair. So I'm going to choose win USDT, scroll down, and then type the price where you are going to buy. So for example, and then type the price where you are going to buy. So for example, I'm going to buy at this price. I will type down 848. And then type the amount of win you want to buy. Or if you want, you can type down the total amount of USDT you want to trade. So for example, I'm going to trade 10 USDT and I will receive this amount of win. And then click buy win and wait for the order to be filled. And if you have any questions about how to buy Wink on Binance, leave a comment below.